Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Rose Matsetela. I'm from Mukopani. My business name is My Art Boutique and Project. We are based in Mukopani and operating in Mukopani, Moshate. I started the business, I registered in 2016, but I started working on the business in 2021 full time. I started the business because there were certain things that I wanted to have, but I couldn't find in the shops, which were earrings. I love big earrings, so I started by making few for myself to wear. Then when people were asking me where I bought them, I started to make them for them. And then that's where my love started, and then that's where the business started actually. I do handmade accessories from earrings, handbag, which is genuine leather, and everything is made by hands. And then I also have one service which is embroidery. People should buy my bags because it's handmade. You cannot find this anywhere. It's handmade and it's genuine leather. And then I make a different kind. And my stock with earrings as well, I don't make more than 10. So I made a limited edition so that you don't find yourself Leah Perry communating and you guys are wearing like it's a uniform. You can get in touch with me on Facebook, which is My Art Accessories. On Instagram, it's R_my_art. And then WhatsApp is 073-894-9510. And we are based in Mukopani, Moshate Village. Hi, my name is Rose Matsetela, and I'm a township entrepreneur.